Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to turn off reels on the Instagram. So if you want to turn off the reels on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So as there is no option on the Instagram to turn off the reels, only the one way is that you can simply use the Instagram on your mobile browser, like Chrome or any other browser you are using, or you can use it on the desktop version. Simply you have to search for the Instagram right here. Once you will search for it, after that you have to click on the desktop site and log into your Instagram account. This is the only way you can turn off the reels on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.